Well, this is the original audio. Take a listen.
Sunlight spills across my window pane. I breathe in hope, let go of yesterday.
And this is the one where the instrumentals in the background, or basically the musical instrument, have been removed from that song. Take a listen.
Sunlight spills across my window pane. I breathe in hope, let go of yesterday.
So as you can hear, the vocal remains the same, but now it has no musical instrument whatsoever. So this change can be done using ElevenLabs, and I'm going to show exactly how you can use that AI tool to remove any musical instrument, leaving only the vocal in your song. So let's navigate to ElevenLabs.io. And you can log into your account. This feature is accessible even if you're using the free version of the platform. And there are two ways you can access this tool. First, you can navigate to Voice Isolator. And then here you can just drag and drop the audio file, or perhaps you can click this upload button and then select the song or music that you want to remove the instrumental. And then you can click this button, and when it is done, you can click the download button on the audio that has been processed. So that's the easiest and fastest way to access this tool. But the same tool, Voice Isolator, is also accessible via Studio, and I'm going to show you how you can use that. Let's navigate to Studio, and here I'm going to start a new blank project, but I'll select audio project. Okay, so I just reached maximum number of projects, and I guess I have to remove some of my projects. I just remove one, and I'm going to start a new one. Okay, so the benefit of using Studio is that there are some other features that you can use. You can add some sound effects. You can actually adjust various settings, like making some audio to be louder or more silent. There are many things that you can do, and I'm not going to talk about that here. But basically, if you want to remove the instrumental from your song, then you can navigate to this menu called Audio, and then you can just upload your audio. I'm going to just drag and drop that audio file, and just wait for the file to be uploaded. And by the way, I guess I'm going to show you what the original audio sound like, and then I'm going to show you what would happen if I remove the instrumental from that song. So take a listen again.
Neon lights flicker on the boulevard. We're drifting fast, hearts sink to the chart. Electric dreams ignite the open sky.
Okay, it sounds something like that. Now to remove the instrumental, just click on the audio clip and then click remove background audio. So it is, again, basically Voice Isolator. It is also being used to remove some unnecessary background noise in podcasts or interview or any audio file, but the same tool can also be used for removing instrumental from a song. Now we got this result. I guess I'm going to play the audio again so you can decide how close it is to the original audio or song. So again, take a listen.
Neon lights flicker on the boulevard. We're drifting fast, I've synced to the chart. Electric dreams ignite the open sky. Tonight we're free, no reason to ask why.
So yeah, is it the best? I don't think so, because in some types of song or audio, sometimes the difference between the actual vocal versus the music or the instrument can be so subtle. This is true in some genre, and this is one example where I don't think the result is not quite as good as the first example that I showed you earlier in this video. But regardless, you can use this AI tool to easily remove the instrumentals from any audio file or song in just a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.